Hello everyone, myself Pradnya Adke and I am student from Rajaram Bapu Institute of Technology, Islampur. I am doing this video under the guidance of VT Lokre ma'am for my ISC with my friend Sneha Kade. So guys, go ahead and see our topic, that is a binary tree. In this video we are going to discussing what is a binary tree, then the tree vocabulary, then operation on the trees, another is the types of binary trees, next is why trees are necessary, and last but least application of the trees. First point is what is a binary tree. By looking towards the photo we can get clear idea about what is a binary tree, and its definition is a tree whose elements have at most two children is called binary tree, and basically name them as left child and right child. The tree vocabulary. For understanding the binary tree, we must familiar with its important terms like path, root, parent, child, and many more another. Next point is a tree node. Here a structure named the node is created. In that integer variable data is initialized first. Then again two structure pointers, that is a left child and right child also created. Various operation on our binary tree. We can perform many more operation on our binary tree, like creating a binary tree, searching element through our binary tree, delete binary tree, or displaying binary tree, and many more operation that we can perform through our binary tree. Here I provided some links which contain various operation on the binary tree with their algorithm and with code. So let's go ahead and see one by one. So this is our first link. It contains basic idea about the binary tree, representation of the binary tree, basic important terms, and many more operations that you can perform on the binary tree. If you want to implement code, then you can refer this code also. And our next point is the different types of binary tree. First is a full binary tree, second is a complete binary tree, third is a perfect binary tree, fourth is a balanced binary tree, and last is a degenerated binary tree. You can refer this photograph also. First type of a binary tree is a full binary tree, and its definition is a binary tree is said to be full binary tree if every node has either 0 or 2 children at each and every level. Also in full binary tree, the length of the subtree is always same. Next type is a complete binary tree. In that all the levels are completely filled up except possibility the last level, and each sub-binary tree have different path length in complete binary tree. Our next type is a perfect binary tree. A binary tree is a perfect binary tree when all the internal nodes have 2 children and all the leaf nodes are at the same level. If you want to get clear idea about it, then look our example. It shows that all the nodes have 2 children and they are at the same level. So our next type is a balanced binary tree. If the difference of the height of sub-binary tree to its node it is a 1, then it is called a balanced binary tree. The photograph that I provided, in first photo the balance is 1, so it is a balanced binary tree, but in second photograph the difference is 2, so it is not a balanced binary tree. And our last type is a degenerated tree. It is very easy to understand. The tree where every internal node has 1 child, then it is called a degenerated tree. It is similar to linked list. Our next important point is why we use tree. So first point is it stored information or data in hierarchical form. For example, file system that are present in our computer system. If you open one file, then there are so many sub-files that are already saved in. Such storing is done by our binary tree, so we use binary tree. Our next point is that tree provide moderate insertion and delete operation. Insertion means we can simply insert one element to our binary tree. And here is our last point, that what are the applications of the binary tree. First is it manipulates hierarchical data. Hierarchy means a system that have many levels from lowest to highest. For example, our binary tree begins with only one node, but it further divided into multiple nodes. Second application is it make information easy to search as data stored in binary tree in sequential manner. Third application is it form multi-stage decision making as binary tree have multiple levels. There are many more applications that you can refer.